Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing the kinky coily headband wig. So to do this kinky coily wig, I'm going to be using this expression braiding hair from expression in the color 33. So I'm going to be using one pack, but I'm not sure yet. I don't know how long I want it to be right now. I might end up using 1.5, but okay, let's just start with one. So I actually made this band myself right now. As you can see a lot of sewing and a lot of bumps everywhere. I just did it right now. It took me a lot of time to do it. You can always buy this if you can't make one for yourself. You can always buy it. So I'm going to be placing my band on the wig cap and then sew it down. So I'm not passing the needle through the band inside the cloth. So I'm just passing the needle through just the cloth so that it doesn't affect the elasticity of the band. So when you're doing this method, don't pass your needle through the band, but just through the cloth. This is how the band looks like. So I'm going to be attaching these combs to the wig cap. I'm going to be starting at the temples, fixing one here and then fix another one here. So but before you do that, I'm going to turn it inside out. So I've finished turning it inside out, so I'm going to attach one here, one comb here, and then another one here. So as you can see, this one is ready. This one has been sewn to it. So moving on to this next one. Okay, now that we're done attaching the two combs to the front of the wig cap, so we're going to attach one to the back also. At the back, you're going to turn it over. So this is it here. I'm going to divide it into 2 equal halves and then fish them out. So this is how the hair is looking right now. You know, I told you I was going to do either 1 pack or 1.5 pack. So I did 1 pack, but the hair was still very scanty. So I decided to go in with half pack of another color. So I went in with this half pack. So this is the remaining half that is left. And this is in the color 350. So I just went in with the 350 and just kind of like fill up all the empty space at the back. So this is what we have right now. I think the color combination is not bad, so I'm going to fill it in. Okay guys, this is what we have right now. I'm done protecting the braiding extension onto the wig cap. So this is what we have now. So I'm going to be using this ones to make the coils, to give it the coils. So this is what I'm going to be using now. So to do that, I'm going to take all of this up. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's raining outside. Okay, to do this, we're going to take this. I'm going to hang it. It has a hook, so I'm going to place it in between these two hair. The two are spreading hair. So I'm going to be placing this in between, and then I'm going to roll it over it. So guys, I'm done now, but I'm out of the spiral cords. So this is what I have now. This is how it's looking. So I have this much left. So what I'm going to do is put this in hot water and then take out the spiral cord and use for the rest of the hair. So I'm going to be seeing you as soon as I'm done putting this in hot water. The hot water looks cloudy because I have conditioner inside. This is the Velcro. It allows you to make the adjustment to your hair to fit your hair perfectly. And then it has one comb at the back. It has one comb at the back, and then two in front. So this is a kinky coily headband wig that I made. At first, I tried to use just one pack, but then when I was through, the hair was still scanty. Then this was one I started with this color, then I went in with this one later on to fill up the whole space, but then I think it came out nice. Yeah, so I'm going to try it on now. So first of all, I'm going to take out, I'm going to open the Velcro. So I'm going to attach the comb to my hair.